We could try to join a game 1 versus 1 to try the spear. We could do some tricks with the spear.
That's funny.
Okay, arena.
So we have the spear over here, right? Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you look like with the spear. I'm also recording you from my point of view, from here.
Hey, well, what's up?
So that's the spear.
Yeah, that's the spear over here.
That looks pretty nice, and you can
That.
throw it to the wall.
And then you can jump on it.
You can jump, and
We can jumping time.
the enemy can jump on it also. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can have even like stairs.
Okay,
So you can put it on the wall. You have 3 spears and you can jump on them.
Okay, but...
How high you can jump?
Oh!
Can you put?
Well, I think how long will you go down? How high you go on?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Oh! This looks sounds. This spear looks at trick shots. I think it, so. You have trick shots.
Yeah, that's a spear. So you can attack with it as it is.
Yeah. Hello, what's up?
Okay. So you can attack me with the spear. You can attack with the spear without throwing it, and you can also throw it at the enemy. Throw it at me.
Hey.
Throw it at me. Throw it at me.
Oh.
Okay, and you have 3 spears. Can you pick up the spear to get it back?
No, you can't. I know.
Okay. That would be nice if you could pick up the spear. So that's the spear. That's how the spear works. I think it will have some interesting features in the future. You can use it to jump around. That's it. That's about the spear. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you see how you get the spear and how you can use the spear to jump around and throw it.
Yeah, I hope this helps you cover the season for you possible.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.